Hello guys, my name is UnlimitedCop and welcome to the second episode of Life of a Sneaker Reseller. Life of a Sneaker Reseller is a new series on my channel. You guys kind of follow me around and I show you guys what I'm kind of doing in that week, whether it's copying shoes, selling shoes, and a handful of other things. If you guys have been enjoying this series, be sure to leave a like down below. And as always guys, I'm going to be keeping the intro pretty short. If you guys do enjoy this episode, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part is. Without any further ado guys, I hope you guys do enjoy. Okay guys, so I kind of am in a mess right now. I woke up to a notification on my phone saying that Grateful Dead's. I keep wanting to say Ungrateful, but I think it's the Grateful Dead's is doing like a launch sweepstakes or something. I don't know what it is, but I ran onto my computer really quick. I opened up a Saber browser, which like allows me to open different windows. So now I'm in here a bunch of times, and I have one person that's in here at 3,000, and as you can see, all my other guys are in here like 30,000, 56,000. So hopefully I can get lucky. My camera's about to die. I don't have a lot of memory on the thing, so I'm going to turn my camera off, and then if anything happens, I'll update you guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're still here. Nothing's really happened. We've moved about 100 people from where we started, and as you can see, this has more than an hour, so probably going to be here a long time. Unfortunately, it's not a first come first serve right now. It's actually a 24-hour raffle, at least that's what we're told. So hopefully, once we get through here, we can enter the raffle. Hopefully, I don't know. I really want to pair these, so we'll just have to see. I know a couple guys on the Discord have gotten through and entered, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Also, the Obey giant, just like an art piece, I guess you could say, is about to drop. I'm gonna run some slots for the guys in Saber, so we're about to do that real quick. All right, guys. So the Obey print's about to drop. Right now, I am 22 minutes away, pretty much is what it says. But yeah, I'm about 22 minutes away on the Grateful Dead's, and then we're about to be copying this Obey stuff right now. So that's pretty much what's going on. My captures are already burnt, so this isn't good. The sun is shining, is that it? The sun is shining. Submitting order. Submitting order. Rate limited. Dang, what is going on? Well, that was an L. Okay. I'm about 12,000 away, or 1,200 away from the Grateful Dead thing. I'm not very good at Shopify botting. It's probably the first time I've done it in way too long. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is an L right here. Added a cart, getting payment. Submitting order? Nah. Alright, that's just gonna be an L, unfortunately. We'll X out of this. We'll get this up. 35 people. Alright, boys, we're about to get in. If you're ready, and I'll be redirected to the site as soon as possible. Alright, boys, so hopefully we can get in here and get entered up, and hopefully get a first come first serve. That would be wild. Alright, boys, we are in. Alright, so we're in the draw, whatever you want to call it, for the first come first serve. Not really much to it. We got him right there. Hopefully another person can get in. I'm not too worried about it, honestly. Probably gonna give up since we got our first one. I'll let you guys know if I get picked. If not, unfortunately, probably won't see anything. Alright guys, what is going on? It's now 7 o'clock my time. We have the reflective Yeezy drop, and then we have the Jordan 12 University Golds or whatever they're called. So hopefully we can get a couple pairs of Yeezys today. I don't really care about the Jordans as much as the Yeezys, so it's pretty early guys. Actually, it's not early, I just didn't get a lot of sleep. I went to bed like 3, so I'm like on 4 hours of sleep right now, so bear with me. But we're about to get undefeated. The drop's in a minute, hopefully, so we'll see. I'm going manual with autofill, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, hopefully we can get something here, I don't know. Processing. There we go, there's one, baby. Starting the day off pretty good. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really check resale prices for these, so hopefully we do okay. Size 10's at $375 right now. I think we're gonna be okay. I'll probably try to get as many as I can. Start tasks? Okay, I'll start them. I'll trust you guys. My profile to task ratio is just one profile right now. I don't think I'm gonna hit, honestly. Stock, low, super low. I'm pretty surprised I got one on undefeated, honestly. Good luck. Make sure all these tasks are started. Don't know what's happening there. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. So link's not bad because it'd pop up there. Just haven't dropped it. I don't know what's happening. Are they just not dropping? Well, no, because Kith would drop in the 12s. Waiting for cap shit. Why is this not working? I don't know what the f*** is happening. Now it's finally going through. Such an L, dude. Oh my god. Going to checkout. Just click on going to checkout. Oh, I checked out! Oh, I checked on East Bay. I thought I checked out on, what's it called? Dang it. Bet, yo, I got one. I thought I checked out on Kith. Yeah, you heard me get really excited for a second. I was like, where was it at? Check email. Dude, these ISPs. I'm telling you, yo. They'll be available soon on Omni. Oh shit! I didn't enter the Grateful Dead raffle. Steve. Bro, I love you, Steve. Because I didn't enter the raffle. Alright, I'm not winning the raffle. Alright, copped on East Bay. Honestly, I didn't really want a lot of pairs. Please let me hit, like I just want these. We've been pretty successful. Let's to recap, we've copped one on East Bay. Card decline, come on Rafiq. I checked out two apparently, but I'm sure one got canceled on East Bay. There's no reason to run now. I mean, I got all the ones I want. I think I hit another one here. I did. It was gonna go through. Oh yeah, I did. I was with Omni. Or with the Resis. That's an L, boys. That's an L. Unfortunately. Alright guys, so I have a couple boxes here. I believe they're all going to be Yeezy Zions. I'm not too sure, honestly. There's only two of them, so I'm pretty sure they are. So we're just going to open these up really quick. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear like music in the background. We're getting a new fence put in, and people are like blasting music and stuff, so I'm sorry if you can hear a little bit of that noise. So the first box I believe is from Kith. I actually got a pair manually on there. If you guys were in the stream, you saw that. Using an autofill, size 7.5. Not a bad size. Box is not in terrible condition. I mean, you never know with shipping. Dang, these actually look really good. I'm really impressed with these. Like the colors on them, so fire. I might actually have to get a pair for personal. Definitely a really good 350, so if you guys have any pairs, definitely would consider holding these. Box number 2, this should be from Yeezy Supply. I want to say it's a size 12, which would probably fit me, but I can't remember the exact size that I got. Actually, this might be from Adidas. Size 9.5, I was very wrong. Pretty sure I have some more sizes coming. I honestly don't remember. Just like the other pair, guys, not really much to say about them. Really good quality. I mean, it's just a great looking shoe in my opinion. I didn't really realize how fire these were till I seen them in hand. Till I saw them in hand, excuse me. But honestly, guys, really good quality, really good looking shoe. Definitely want to hold on to these. Not really much to say, guys. I just finished up the what's it called? The Ungrateful Dead drop and the 12s, the Jordan 12s. So I'm about to go locally in store. Hopefully pick up a couple pairs. I don't really know how well these Jordan 12s are gonna do. So I'm gonna go in store, maybe pick up a couple pairs. I don't really know. It depends how well they do on StockX when I'm at the store. So now I'm about to go inside and see if they have any more stock left. I don't think I'm gonna bring the camera. It's just weird walking in with the camera. I don't think they're gonna give me like a bunch of pairs if I'm with the camera. So I'll record like audio on my phone or something so you guys can hear that. And I'll like put a graphic up or something. I mean, I don't know, we'll figure out something. So I'm gonna go in really quick and see if they have any stock, then I'll come back out here and, I don't know, wait till 12. All right, boys, so I go inside, right? I don't even get in the door, really. I open the door, and ladies, I walk in the door, right? And I'm like, hey man, you got any Jordan 12s? This is the same guy that was there a couple weeks ago for the hairs. Asshole to me. You know who you are. I'm sorry, you know who you are. And he watches my videos. So I get in there and I'm like, hey man, you have any Jordan 12s left? He's like, nah man, they're all gone. It's 11:36 and they give like the pairs up at 12, like that aren't picked up for raffles. So I'm pretty sure, no, the guy's definitely giving them to his homies. Somebody's getting plugged, so I don't know. Somebody's here that's about to get all the pairs, but that's bullshit. It is bullshit. And then there's a bunch of people lining up at the door. So, City Gear, I don't know what you're doing, but not the right thing. So as you're pulling out, a guy literally walks out with a pair. Okay, buddy. All right, guys. So we're here at the mall now. Hopefully, actually, we are definitely gonna get a pair here because I have one reserved on Foot Locker. I'm not gonna bring the big camera in. I have my little camera in my bag that I'm probably gonna try to use and record. It's just kind of awkward recording, picking up shoes. I don't know. And most of the time, they don't like let you record at the mall. So I'll do my best to record some in-store stuff. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to leave a like down below. Alright guys, we're with the little camera now. The quality honestly is not that bad. I might get a little camera just so I can vlog with it.
A little camera.
But now we're going in.
And we're not turning the car off either.
Nope. So they didn't let us record inside. Okay, maybe they did. I just didn't pull the camera out because I got nervous. It's so weird vlogging in public, especially when like everyone's just right there, so I don't know. Oh, we picked up the pairs. I got a size 9. I don't really know how else gonna do resell, but we'll see. All right, boys, good luck. I hope you do well. Stairs, okay, very hard captcha. Very hard captcha. Submit, restock of the clothes and sneakers. Do I buy the jacket? What do I buy? I'm still in queue on Kith. Ever entering draw? Oh, it already exists, so I'm already in on most of them. Pending, please. Please. Oh, I got it! Oh, dang, I didn't get the I got the hoodie. Is the hoodie good? I got the Off-White Jordan hoodie. Oh my god, I thought I got him for a second. Holy f, I didn't. Alright guys, so I have these Jordan 12s here. I guess I have the Jordan 12s here, and I actually realized that I haven't even opened these up yet. I just got them out of the mall. I actually left them in the trunk of my car, and then I just brought them inside and they sat on my table for a while. So I'm about to open these up. It's gonna be the first time seeing them in hand. Honestly guys, I've seen some pictures on Twitter. I think they're pretty fire. I'm gonna open it up and we'll see what we think. So not really too much to the box. Obviously it's just a standard 12s box. Dang, but the shoes are fire, yo. These are so heat. I can't really tell. So I got a new mic. If it sounds better, that's why. I got a new mic and I can't really see the viewfinder anymore. So if I'm not in frame, I'm sorry. But these are fire, dude. They smell good. They look really clean. Shit, like they're so dope. The leather quality is definitely there. These are actually the school colors of my old school. Definitely cool colors. They're very vibrant. I don't know. Very cool looking shoe, honestly. I wasn't too sure about these at first, but definitely seeing them in hand, the quality is definitely there. So I really do see these going up. If you guys have pairs, would probably suggest holding them. Not really sure how long yet. I just definitely see these going up over time. Here's both pairs here. Not really too much to it. Look really cool. The quality on them both is very, very good. But for now, they're probably just gonna sit on the shelf for a little bit. I don't really plan on selling them right now. Like I said, I'm gonna be holding them. All right guys, that is pretty much it for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to leave a like down below. Let me know what your favorite part was. Like I said guys, this is still a new series on my channel. So definitely be sure to leave your suggestions about what you want to see changed down in the description below. Also guys, if you would do me a favor, please share this series with your friends. I've been putting a lot of hard work in this series It's taken me days to edit this episode, so if you guys please could, be sure to share this episode with your friends. It would mean the world to me. Just like the intro, guys, I'm gonna be keeping this pretty short. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, be sure to leave a like down below. Be sure to subscribe for more episodes. Also, if you guys haven't seen episode 1, I'll leave that link down in the description below. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.